A few moments later.
Don't worry about this frog. We're just joking. Yesterday, the biology teacher asked me to catch a frog for an introduction to biological anatomy. I have considered and decided to use this Goofoo mini 3-dimensional printer to print a dissected frog. It can build volume size 200 mm in length and width, 150 mm in height. The printing speed is below 200 mm per second, and the speed is also very fast. It has a patented modular extruder. The unique design of extruder makes it possible to fulfill the wide range of the filament in market, like PLA, TPU, TPE, carbon fiber, and other engineering materials. Modular design idea enables easier removal for cleaning and maintenance within seconds, supplying the best customer's experience. Industrial X-axis linear guide rail enables higher precision movement, achieving better print quality.
The next morning.
Early in the morning, the mini printer has already printed out all the models. I can't wait to splice these parts together. It only took me a few minutes to assemble it. You can see the internal structure of this frog. Surprisingly, this is a 3-dimensional printer printed biological model. Frog's lungs, heart, intestines, and so on. It's really exciting. Alright, I need to hurry to school. I'll see you next time.